Yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Everybody, I hope you're great and safe. As you see, I'm back with another makeup tutorial, but this time it's not gonna be just an ordinary makeup. We're gonna do an emoji makeup. As you know, they're the trend of this year, and they're so popular on social media, especially on TikTok. So I decided to do it with you. And this is the emoji I've chosen, the blue butterfly. I hope you like it. So let's get started. So like always, after using moisturizer, I'm gonna use the foundation, and you know what my favorite foundation is. So now I'm gonna use this concealer for highlighting some parts, and maybe I use a little bit of contour. Let's see. Now it's time for fixing with this setting powder. Now use this nude blush for the part that I've contoured. Now it's a little bit shiny, so I like it. So now we get to the most important part of this makeup, the butterflies. So I'm gonna use this black, tiny, beautiful pencil for drawing the butterflies, and then I'm gonna paint it blue, black, and white. Alright, so this is the basic shape. Now I'm gonna use this blue color and paint it. Alright, I let it dry and I'm gonna go and draw the other butterfly, but I've kind of changed my mind. I don't want to draw two blue butterflies. This one is probably red and yellow. Let's see. There's a little mess under our butterfly, so later I'm gonna use a foundation or concealer to remove them. And for now, for this part of our butterfly, I'm gonna use red, and for this part I'm gonna use yellow. It was so hard. I've done so many makeup, but I can say this one was the hardest one, but practice makes perfect. I'm sure you can do it too. And this is it. Okay, now I'm gonna use a black pencil for inside my eyes, and then I've forgotten to work on my eyebrow, so I just a little bit brush it, and then I'm gonna use the mascara, and we're gonna be done with the eyes. I don't know about you, but I'm so in love with this thing and I love it already, but I want to try some glitters for inside part of my eyes, golden for here, and some silver for this part, or maybe blue, I don't know, let's see. And if it doesn't look good, I'm gonna remove it, but I have to try it, so let's go. Now I want to work on the lipstick. I'm not sure if I want to just use a normal lipstick or I want to paint on it. I do a little bit try, and I try to paint a little butterfly on my lips. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna draw a butterfly. It's just gonna be the shape of it. So let's see if it is good. If not, I will remove it, don't worry. But this shiny glitter looks perfect. I love it. It has some stars and it's shiny. So again, for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this concealer. Gosh, now I just get that I've forgotten something. It should be some white dots inside this black thing, so I'm gonna do it now. So sorry. Okay, it wasn't really that necessary. Now the lips. I honestly tried to work on the lips, but it doesn't look really good. So probably I'm gonna use just a simple and ordinary lipstick and forget about that butterfly thing. So please forget about it. I don't want to use a lot of highlighter because I just want you to focus on my eyes, but probably a little bit here will be good, and here. This is the final look of our butterfly emoji makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That means a lot to me. And if you like our videos, please share them with your friends so others can see our videos too. And I'll be really thankful if you share your opinions and thoughts on this makeup in the comments. I like to read them all. And take care of yourself and stay safe in this pandemic. Love you all, and goodbye.
In the game now, everything's on fire. How to make it come again? We crush it like a